Todd and Julie Chrisley speak out about their prison sentences and their faith that they will receive justice. Hear why Todd Chrisley is optimistic about his and Julie Chrisley's futures as they began their years-long jail sentences on January 17. Todd Chrisley has made peace with his and Julie Chrisley's future. Todd presented a surprisingly cheerful view on the Jan. 18 episode of his and Julie's Chrisley Confessions podcast, which was recorded before the Chrisley Knows Best stars began serving their federal fraud case jail sentences. I think that's why I'm in a better place with it, because I know this isn't going to be my last destination, he explained. I realize that this may be my future for a brief moment, but I have faith that the court system will intervene. I also believe that the appellate court will see this for what it is. Todd and Julie were sentenced to 12 and 7 years in prison, respectively, in November 2022, after an Atlanta federal jury found them guilty of tax evasion and bank fraud in June 2022. Following their sentencing, the couple's attorney, Alex Little of Burr and Foreman LLP, informed E!News that they intend to challenge their convictions. You just have to hope and pray to God, Todd said on the show, that when one division of the legal system fails, the next level, which is the appeal court, sees the flaws and tries to fix those mistakes. At the end of the day, Todd stated all he and his family could do was keep their faith, adding, "You have to put your faith in God and believe that God would lift you up and push you ahead." On the podcast, Julie made a similar argument, stating that their punishment was a test that will become a testament. "We do feel that there is purpose in this agony, and we do not believe that this is the end of the journey for us." She added, "that we are only scratching the surface of God's desire for our life." Finally, Julie expressed her gratitude to the audience, saying, "We appreciate everyone who listens to our podcast. We simply appreciate you for that, as well as for your prayers."